how to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. Now, maybe you're trying to log into your Facebook application, or maybe you're trying to change some settings, which is asking for another code in this case, but you're not being able to get that code. Now, first of all, do not try from the same page over and over again. Just close the Facebook app completely. If you're using Android, long press on the Facebook application or the app icon. Tap this I button that says App Info, which will take you to your App Info page. And from there, you can go to the option called Permissions. From Permissions, you can make sure that all of the permissions and access are actually enabled, especially contacts, call logs. So these permissions, you want to make sure to enable it. Second of all, you can go to Storage Usage and clear the cache files. And if clearing the cache did not work, then only I would recommend you clear the data and just clear the data of the Facebook application. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Facebook app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version, like in this case. If it's still not working, then make sure that you're receiving messages on your phone, because chances are Facebook is not being able to communicate with you. So make sure that you're receiving messages and that you're in a place where you have a cellular connection. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.